Gold and silver traded bearish for the day, hitting the lows at 32.96 and 36.14 levels, 36.50 levels. Earlier in the day, I have asked you to sell silver at 36.60 with the 20 cents trailing, and see what has happened. We have seen it moving all the way towards 36.15, and likewise gold has also seen a good drop. What to expect now with the US session? Are we looking forward to a further downside move here in gold? Can we see 32.80 and lower levels, or the lows are done and we should wait for a recovery? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? Now with the US session, we're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates consistently every day, such that you can profit across sessions trading gold and silver. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. On the hourly charts, what's happening here? Drop, retracement, drop. It has tried to retrace a little, failing to trade. Now see how important was the level. I have mentioned the buying entry was only about 33.16. What has happened? It has hit 33.15 levels and reversed, and that is how precise the levels are. See, you can note down, since the last video release, I have mentioned the buying entry only about 33.15.5, and what has happened? Failing to break this, we have seen gold sliding. Now what's happening? Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, lower highs, lower lows, consistently trading in this channel. Very, very important now for gold to trade below 32.94, 32.92 levels, and then we can expect another round of slide here, possibly towards 32.88, 32.80 levels, the next target zone. The moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading bearish, looking downwards. Stochastic is comfortably placed, while the MACD is also trading bearish. The RSI is almost at bottom, so still there is further room for a drop. Look at the 2-hour. Similar observation here on the 2-hour charts. Drop, retracement, drop, slight retracement, and now see first bearish candle has appeared. If you see the second one, taking it below 32.94, 92, stay short. In fact, at 32.94 itself, you can take a sell, expect 32.88 and 32.80.78. These are the two critical levels. If it trades below 32.80.78, we can expect it to move towards 32.60 levels very, very soon. The crossover in the moving averages is definitely a bearish sign. And see, buying entry now is only about 33.15, 33.16 zone. That is pretty clear. And on the upside, even if it breaks beyond 33.15, 16, you can expect 33.26, 33.30 as the first target zone, then 33.40 as the next. Only and only if it trades and breaches this zone, you can say this is a reversal. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. The MACD on the 2-hour charts is bearish. The RSI is at bottom here. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, this is important to note, diminishing bearishness here, preceding candle, possibly a reversal candle, but I do not see that happening. See, this might continue the trend. It is seen lower highs and now looking downwards, so possibly once it trades below 32.94, you can again expect 32.88 and 32.80 levels as the next target zone. Yes, it might try to deliver lower lows, and this could be beginning of for another downtrend where it can head towards 30 to 60 levels. Stochastic getting oversold here. The MACD trading bearish. The RSI has dropped to the bottom. On the 4-hour, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts. Drop, retracement, drop. The crossover in the moving average on the sell side. Lower highs are seen, and now it is turning red. Once it trades below 32.94, expect 32.88, 32.80.78 and 32.60 levels possibly. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading bearish. The RSI is also trading bearish here. On the daily, earlier in the day, I have mentioned, see this candle, then the retracement, and now the breakout. And if you look at the size of this candle, this was almost $55 of move. And now if you count $55 from here, possibly we are looking at 32.80 levels, possibly. That is also a great support, we already know. Also notice what is happening here. The drop, the retracement, lower highs and lower lows. So gold is trying to confine itself within this zone where the 32 below 32.60, it's 32.48 and then 32.40, the two key levels. And if these levels are taken, we are aiming at 3200 very, very soon. Now here you can see moving averages have started to converge, and the price is trading below the 20 and 50 period moving average, which is indeed a bearish sign. The stochastic looking down, the MACD trading bearish, the RSI also trading bearish. So considering this, before I offer you the levels, if you're also willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts middle of July in couple of weeks. Join it today and enjoy your trading journey. Enjoy the learning experience which can, joining the mentorship, definitely you will be able in a position to identify the profitable trades and increase your winning ratio. Join it today. As we are part of my signals channel, we're trading as per the signals, you can profit. And yes, if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now looking at the charts, you can buy here at 33.10 itself, but then 33.15, 16 the first resistance zone, 33.24, 26 the next, and then 33.32, 33.40 levels will appear, beyond which you can expect a reversal. If it trades beyond 33.40, more bullishness should prevail. I do not expect that to happen. The stance is pretty much bearish as of now and requires a lot much of effort for gold prices to reverse completely. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 33, or rather you can sell here at 32.98, expect 32.94, 32.88, 32.80, 78 as the third. If these three levels are taken, stay short for 32.60. Below 32.60, 32.48, 32.40, and then 32.20, 32.100 should be there very, very soon, if not today. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now, silver beautifully did the double top today. It has moved towards 37.20 levels, and see what a greater pullback, finding the resistance from this zone at 37.20, 30. Do find out, I have mentioned these levels several times in my previous updates, and precisely a reversal is seen from this zone. Now what has happened since then? You can see a drop and a flat top is seen here. Now it is pretty important for silver to breach 36.60, 36.80 again. This was the resistance earlier. Now this is going to be the resistance again. Only a move beyond 36.60, 36.80 should confirm the reversal. In fact, if you watch out and recall my last week's updates, you can find out these levels here. 36.65 was the level, 36.85 was the level. Again, these levels are going to hold strong. Moving average is crossing over here. It's a bearish sign. Stochastic bearish, MACD bearish, RSI is bottom here. When you see the 2 hour, see it is putting the pressure on the bands to expand. The price is trading outside bands. Very, very important for silver to trade below 36 and 35.80. Notice this rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement. Let it stay below 36 and 35.80. You can expect more bearishness here. Moving average is trying to converge. Stochastic oversold. MACD trading sharply bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped here as well. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar observation here in the 3 hour charts, rise, retracement, and see this is a greater retracement channel in which it is trading. A drop below 35.80 should confirm the next move towards 35.40, below which it is going to deliver massive bearishness. Stochastic getting oversold, MACD sharply bearish, RSI has dropped sharp as well. And on the 4 hour, the observation is similar here. Yes, rise, retracement, let it stay below 35.80 and more bearishness should prevail below that. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over at the top, trading with sharp divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, what has happened? See how many days it took for silver to reach from 36 to 37 dollar zone. It took 3 to 4 sessions, and now in single session it has erased all the gains. Now notice what it has done. Drop, retracement, and now it is taking a turn here. So also notice slightly lower low, slightly lower highs. Possibly once it trades below 35.80 and 35.40, we are looking forward to 35, 34.50 and 34 also very, very soon. Right now it is just trading below 20 period. And so far for last multiple sessions, we have seen 20 period offering it a very, very good support. So a closer of the day below 20 period, and then the beginning of the next day might be again on a bearish note where the prices might head lower. So today's closer is going to be important. A closer below 20 period, a closer below 36 is a critical sign for tomorrow's drop as well. Stochastic looking down, the MACD bearish, the RSI is looking down as well. So looking at this, see ideally now the buying entry has to be above 36.65 levels. You can initiate a possible buy at 36.35, but then expect 36.50, 36.65, 36.85 as the three resistances on the upside. If these resistances are taken, 37.10, 37.30 levels should appear, and a reversal is only above 37.30, which I think is impossible today. And when I say impossible, means I do not see it happening today at least. And see where it closes is going to be important. A close below 36 is a very critical sign. You can sell here at 36.10 today, expect it to move towards 35.95, 35.80. And if these two levels are taken, stay short for a greater move towards 35.40 or in fact $35 levels very, very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.